Three signs of a useless girlfriend. If your girlfriend fall into these three categories when I will mention for this video, dump her. You know that if not, you go regret your life at the end of the last comment of a fool. You know that. Number one sign of a useless girl, she not ever they get transport. If in 2025 you invite girl to come see you and this girl dey demand for transport, end the conversation for there. Nothing good will come out from that relationship. You know, because person will not get transport to come see you, not get wetin you wan contribute to your life. And I mean they tell you before God and man. Especially those ones who be say maybe from a place where you dey stay not pass 5,000 naira. You go ask this person come see me, go dey demand for transportation. Even I say maybe na she don dey come before, but this time she not get, it's understandable. If you assist. But say the first time I wan see, na you wan pay for transportation. If the excuse of saying na person will invite person, na go pay for transport. Make she not come, make she dey her house. Other guests dey. You know understand? The greatest strength wey you get as a man, na the choice of say women plenty pass men. Women full the world, and every woman greatest strength be say anything you not ready to do for woman, another man is ready to do it for her. He's very very ready to do it for her. You know understand? So every nonsense wey you dey take from woman today, na your fellow man na cause am, because that same thing wey you no wan do, one man dey one place wey wan do that same thing for her. But just because say other men are willing to do it, no mean say you go do am. And the truth is that majority of all these guys who be so na dey send transport, who be say they not get transport. Now those ones who be say you go send money, they not go even come. And you dey watch this video now, if you dey watch this my video now, if you say get transport, she not go come, she go eat the money. They free to post that girl online, say she eat your money, not feel bad about them. Now your money, you work hard for the money, and if possible use the law again, use the law, because it's against the law. That way she dey do. Many of the users are screws, they feel say they're smart, but the way everything they go now, if get eat your transport, so I'm giving you the go ahead, sue her. It's against the law and 7 months imprisonment. Make she go face the law. You know understand? Then number 2 sign of a useless girl. Any girl with the pressure you na useless girl. Comparison. She always dey compare you to other people's success. Any small thing, wetin her ex-boyfriend do for am? Any small thing, her ex-boyfriend do this one for me. My ex-boyfriend used to pay my mother salary. Now ask one girl one time, so this boy dey do all these things for you, why you come leave this boy come meet me now? He wants to provoke this girl. Because if you really better for Olefa or for up, you know hawk. If life favor Olefa or for up, you know will come down go carry agric pikin shop. So you live where life dey favor, you can't come me. Now I tell her say, you not get anyhow, that your boyfriend, so that your ex-boyfriend is better than me. Go meet her. Because if you live the way they describe this way, if you really did this sweet, you can't leave that sweet boy with sweet finish. Come meet me with you Olefa. you live a Greek fowl. Now Olefa now you come meet, you go cry, but that big cry now you go cry. You know that, so not let any get they pressure you. Any spirit of comparison, they want to compare you to people. So boy do so for me. All those things are waiting go put you for pressure. Before you look, if you go thief people phone, they go please get. If you thief my phone, I will use the law against you. Funny enough, when they talk na real. They catch one boy, he don't say small. He go thief people phone. When they cash out, what he talk say, he has given the pressure, the pressure say he need iPhone. I not get money to say, but why he go thief? You know that, so things they happen. So don't let any girl pressure you. Instead, make you push you do what you don't want to do with your life. Dump her. Move on with your life. Women fool everywhere. You know understand? Then number 3 sign of a useless girl. If you watch this video to this level, first of all, write my name in capital letter. Make I know people will watch my video to the end. Geh Geh, G-E-H in capital letter. You know understand? Number 3 sign of a useless girlfriend. Any girl wey dey support you with only prayers. All those who be saying they wake up for money, the only thing they do for their WhatsApp status, Lord bless my man today as he try. All those kind girls, those are girls. The only support wey they get to give you now online, they go your post to my king. They got the right one prayer point. You know go far with life with prayer points. Prayer point is not enough. As you dey work, you need girl wey dey work too. So when things get the way it be for you, she can assist you. Because normally, see, life not be every day you go get. Even will be Cubana, all those they make money. You see, even Dangote, sometimes they face challenges. And if you get woman will be say will be say you feel as a support system, will be say okay, at least when to see get the way they did for you, she can be there for you. Not will be saying a prayer. The one wey dey say everything wey you get, if it better for you, better for una too. You know, if it better for me, better for una too. Also not be guess. You don't understand. As you dey work, you don't need a prayerful girlfriend. You need a girl who is also working. She's also working. She's also doing something. And so maybe you get excess money, will be safe if you carry the girl along with yourself. And even with that, say the worst mistake, I just add this one join for you. The worst mistake if you make as a man, now to go the find woman with the below your standard. It go take you a lot of effort, energy, time, resources to bring this girl to your level. And when you don't even still bring her to your level, another massive physical letter for your hand. Or this girl fit tell you say she don't tire. So that strength, instead of dating a girl where they go school, you want the sponsor for school. Why you know you're dating the one without graduate if they find graduates? I don't know when I get with her they talk. If they find girl will be say na nurse, why you know your date no, instead of to the train you to go date the one be say na she will go the nursing school. I don't know if they get with her they talk. If they find girl will be say no man a doctor, why you know just go date doctor instead of to go the find the one be say na she won't be now she the one to go the doctor and you won't sponsor and go the doctor. Choose your use your brain. All this is very, very important. Not let anybody deceive you. People they tell you say, what if that one God choose for you? God choose many, many women for you. You know, not let anybody deceive you. Say, get one special woman where God creates, and this will be your own. A lie. Now this world we with, now you will take they choose them. Now you take they mold them to the one where you want. So the woman where you want, if you be in a doctor, if you already there in the doctor, not be the one business, you go must train first. I don't know if they get with her they talk. I don't know if they get.
Previously on Geh Geh University.
3 things will go happen to you today if you because of woman. Number 1, that woman when you die leave, another man go mine her to two. Your spirit don't fit get rest of mind. You hear the waka they cry every night. And your friends go dey very disappointed in you. You imagine as I dey here like this, I go take my life. My friends call here, wetin happen? They say you go take your life because of woman. My friends will be so disappointed. My family go die. My mama, if my mama see dey alive that time, she feel run mad. She feel even run mad. Because one thing I say, person dead, the other thing is the reason why the person die. Your family will be so disappointed. Your father go dey. Your father go, he go dab and me raise this speaking. I'm not get with her they talk. People go dey very disappointed. Something happened for my community few years ago. That time I see they go secondary school. 2 boys they fight because of gay. Now someone your pick stone the other guy. As he stone the guy, they stole your land for the guy head. Instantly he collapsed. He not even cough, he passed their go. The girl where they use because of a fight. Today now the girl don't born 3 children for another man. She don't marry, born 3 children. Why those 2 boys, one don't die, the other one rock more for the community? If you take your life because of woman, the woman gets everything to gain, while you get everything to lose. Not let life reduce you to that level where the only option you consider now.
Like and subscribe.